Hi and welcome in today's new recipe. Today I'm sharing 3 easy toast idea high in protein that you can have for breakfast, for snack, or anytime you want to make a toast. I use my tahini bread recipe, so you can also go and check that recipe, but you can use any kind of bread. So please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first toast is a really simple and easy one with cottage cheese. So on a slice of bread, I'm having a large spoon of cottage cheese and I'm adding some tomatoes. And I top everything with Everything Bagel seasonings. And here is our first toast idea, high in protein with the cottage cheese. The second toast idea is a toast that I make with some goat cheese. So I just spread some goat cheese into my slice of bread, and on top of that I'm having 2 turkey ham slices. So we're having another high protein toast to enjoy anytime. So here is the toast. I had some pepper as well. And yeah, here is the second toast idea. So for the third idea, on a slice of bread, I just straight some carrots, just like this. And on top of my carrots, I'm having an egg, a sunny side up egg just on top, and I'm gonna garnish my eggs with some Cajun seasonings. And here is the last so yeah, here is the end of these videos. I hope you guys did like those 3 high protein toast ideas. So this is some ideas to inspire you to make your toast, your bread healthier in order to lose fat and build muscles. The key is to eat enough protein in a day and still enjoying the food that we like. So please, if you like that video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Everything is on the description box below. You get all my ebooks, my coaching programs, also my free guides to help you build a healthy playlist. So please don't forget to check the description box below, and I hope to see you guys again for the next video.